So, if something like this sounds like you're in the right place. You have always wanted to start meditating, but you don't know where to start. Like, there's a lot of information out there. You feel like you don't have enough time to meditate and you get desperate easily. Believe me, I'm just like you. You have not enjoyed meditation in the past, but you are open to give it a even more try. You need to find a balance in your life. You think like meditation is going to help you to feel more calm, more in peace, and find some balance in your entire life. And you want to feel more at peace and calm, but dedicating time to self care and to nurture your own life. And you will feel, I want you to feel like this after this course: motivated, happy, and ready to meditate constantly to take care of yourself. I want you to remember that meditation is not for anyone else. It's just for you. And it's just another way of taking care of yourself. You will feel like this. You will know how to start meditating, and you're actually going to enjoy the process and to include this in your daily routine. You will feel empowered because you will feel like this is something that you can actually do, that is easy and powerful, and you can put it inside your busy life and it has a place for it.